Today we are going to talk about Semrush Pro and Semrush Guru. We will talk about which one is actually worth to upgrading for your business. Many people start to use Semrush, but then they get confused when they see the different plans. The price difference is noticeable, so the real question is, are the extra features really worth it? Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to choose the right tools without any confusion. If you want to try Semrush, I have shared a helpful link in the description so you can explore it easily. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and also don't forget to use the link from description, because by using the link, any special offer or benefit will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. First, let's understand the Pro plan in a simple way. The Pro plan, basically, it is designed for beginners and individual users. If you are running a small website or doing basic SEO or working as a freelancer, this plan gives you everything you need to get started. You can monitor up to 5 websites, you can do keyword research, analyze competitor, you can track the ranking, and you can check the backlinks. Also, you can run the site audits. For most of the beginners, this already feels like a complete package. You are getting all of the core SEO tool in just one place without paying too much. Now let's talk about the Guru plan. This plan is built for the small business or growing users. It includes everything from the Pro plan, but it adds more power and more data. For example, instead of 5 websites in Pro, you can now monitor up to 15 websites with Guru plan. This is very useful if you are managing multiple projects or working with clients. Another important feature is the historical data. With the Pro plan, you only see the current data, but with Guru, you can look at the past trends. These help you to understand how rankings and traffic changed over the time, which is very important for long-term strategy. Now you also get the multi-location and device data. This means you can track how your website performs in different countries or on different devices like mobile and desktop. This becomes very useful when your audience is spread across different regions. And then there are content optimization too. These tools help you to plan and improve your content so it can rank better on search engines. If you are creating blog posts or SEO content regularly, this feature can make a big difference. Now let's talk about the pricing in a simple way. The Pro plan costs around $117 per month when billed annually instead of the regular $139 per month. On the other hand, the Guru plan, it costs around $208 per month when billed annually instead of $249 per month. So yes, Guru is clearly more expensive, but the real question is, do you actually need those extra features? Here is the simple answer. If you are just starting, if you are working on 1 or 2 websites and focusing on the basic SEO task, then the Pro plan is more than enough. You do not need to spend extra money in the beginning. But if you are growing, you managing multiple websites or creating a lot of content, then the Guru plan becomes very valuable. The extra data, higher limits, and content tools that help you to scale your work more efficiently. So the upgrade is not about better or worse. It's about your stage. Start with Pro plan if you are a beginner. Learn the platform, understand your workflow, and use all the core features. When you feel limited or need deeper insight, then upgrading to Guru, that makes sense. That way, you don't waste money and you upgrade only when your business actually needs it. So that's it basically for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. If you found this video helpful, give this video a like and subscribe Easy Access Tech for more simple and practical tool comparisons. Don't forget to check the link from description so any special benefits get applied automatically. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.